In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix no home screen in QuickBooks Desktop. If your home screen has disappeared in QuickBooks Desktop, don't worry. This is usually a simple display issue, and there are a couple of quick ways to bring it back. I'll walk you through both methods so you can use whichever one is easiest in your version of QuickBooks. First, look at the top of the QuickBooks window and click on Company. This opens a drop-down menu with several company-related options. From there, select Home Page. As soon as you click it, QuickBooks should open the home screen again. This is often the fastest and most direct way to restore it if it was simply closed or hidden. If that option works, you're all set. But if you want another way to access the home screen, there's also a shortcut method you can use from the left side of the program. Go over to the My Shortcuts panel on the left. If it's collapsed, expand it so you can see the available shortcuts. In that list, look for the Homepage tab. If you see it, click on it, and QuickBooks will take you straight to the home screen. This is a useful option if you prefer navigating with shortcuts instead of using the top menu each time. Now, if you don't see the homepage listed there, you can add it manually. To do that, go to the top menu again and click View. In the drop-down, select Add Home to Icon Bar. This tells QuickBooks to place the home page in your shortcut or icon area, making it easier to access going forward. After that, click Save. Once saved, the home page shortcut should appear, and you can use it whenever you need to return to the main QuickBooks home screen. This is a good fix to remember because sometimes the home screen isn't actually missing. It's just not currently visible or pinned in the way you expect. Using either the company menu or the shortcut area usually solves the problem in just a few seconds. And there you go. That's how to fix the missing home screen in QuickBooks Desktop. If you're following along, just make sure to check both locations carefully, especially the left shortcut panel, since it can sometimes be minimized. Thanks for watching.